Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing today? Good morning again. I'm having my morning shot now with half lemon, cinnamon, and cloves. 10 drops of broccoli as always, and a little bit of water. So let's see how it is. It's a very energetic one, so hopefully I have a lot of energy to exercise today. Yeah, it's a strong one. Whoa. Jesus Christ. And the water, as always. And now I'm having a green tea, lemongrass tea. Okay. Now, cheers and see you later. Today we're not gonna be seeing what I'm gonna bring to work because I'm doing home office. Yay! Good morning, everyone. And that's absolutely one of the reasons why I love waking up early in the morning and going to the gym. Look at the sky. This beautiful day here in Vienna. Summer is towards the end here, but still beautiful. Hello again, everyone. Now it's dinner time. So I will be preparing some vegetables with chicken again. Yes, the chicken is already pre-prepped. I need to grill it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna have today. Just need to get a knife. So I'm having 200 grams of potato, 6 big cherry tomatoes, and half corn. I will season everything and stick in the oven for around 20 to 30 minutes. Half corn and half tomatoes. Some salt, a little bit of olive oil, black pepper over everything, and some, again, rosemary over my potato because that's really fresh. The potato really like it. Now we stick everything in the oven and time it for 20 to 30 minutes. So let's recap the day today. Went to the gym very early in the morning, went home, had my milkshake, then I worked a little bit, and then after that, well, not a little bit, around 4 hours. Then after that was lunchtime. I had a break, and now I have some footage for you of me preparing my lunch. I was with some salt. Okay, this is black pepper. And then we put some lemon juice here. And we also add some paprika. Yeah. We also add some olive oil. And a little of rosemary. And that will let it roll. Sweet potato. Okay, cut the small pieces. I also have the pumpkin. Yeah, chocolate is okay. Now let's slice everything and put this in the tray. I'm going to add olive oil. Don't too much. Salt. There's a little bit more olive oil because I see it in the thing, so I don't much of it. And in pumpkin, I'm going to add some garlic powder. Black pepper and everything. Some marjoram in my sweet potato. And that's it. Some garlic. Then after that, I had 2 meetings, working meetings as well. And what did I do? I had a break, and on my break time, I prepared a very, very nice, delicious snack, afternoon snack, and I also have some footage for you. And now, dinner time. I'm preparing my dinner as you just saw it, but I really want to talk to you guys. Why is that so important to really change our eating habits? We are very used and manipulated by the food industry too. Like, eat what is easier, eat everything and anything without thinking about any consequences. But you can make sure that there are consequences, and the consequences, like, they're long lasting, you know. And most of the time, unfortunately, we don't even see them. We don't even see the problems that we develop throughout the years, actually, throughout days, throughout the years. throughout our whole life. So yes, it's very comfortable, it's very easy, and much better for us to simply go to the supermarket, pick whatever is there, what's easier for us, and simply eat it. And you eat it, you're happy, next day you do the same, and next day you do the same, today you don't have time to cook, tomorrow you're not gonna have time to cook as well, and so on and so forth, and you started a bad vicious cycle, you know. And I was that person as well. For me, cooking was just a nightmare, but I've learned that I don't really need to overthink about anything I'm gonna cook. I can simply cook easy recipes. I like preparing some vegetables. I just stick them in the oven's gonna do the rest. I just need to wash, cut, season them, stick them in the oven, and the oven's gonna do all the work that needs to be done. And then whatever protein I'm having, it's also easy to make. I don't need to like really overthink, and I don't like overthinking or over preparing, cooking anything that goes like that needs to cook for 3 hours or takes a huge amount of time to be prepared. This is very demotivating. But when you think about clean eating and then you think I have to cook every day, or it's a lot of work, I don't have the time, I don't have the interest, I don't have the money or whatever. But you are completely wrong, because eating healthy is as cheap or as expensive as what you're eating nowadays. You know, of course, if you're eating organic, it would be even better, but also more expensive. So you don't really need to do that if you don't have the conditions to do so. But eating healthy vegetables, I don't like vegetables, try to implement them every day in your life, a little bit every day, and it will make a huge difference. One fruit, if there is one fruit you like, eat that every day. You know, you don't need to change your habits from one day to another, but it's a process, and that's the important thing for us to always keep in mind, that it's a process. Everything that we start needs to have a start, a middle, and an end. So throughout the process, you're gonna see how much you enjoyed it, how much you've learned, how much you've grown, and what was the benefit that certain project that you take on make a difference in your life, you know. Now, as you see, I'm doing this 45 days or 6 weeks challenge, and it's purely based on clean eating, sorry. And I'm cooking most of the days. I'm eating super healthy. It's good, you know, when you discover, when you feel the difference, when you start feeling better, when you start seeing your skin getting better as well. Believe me or not, it's still bad, but it's what my skin was so much worse before, that I'm happy with the improvement I'm having now. Seeing my body like responding now. As I was saying, I'm still getting used and super happy to be able to achieve such good results in a short period of time, you know. I weighed myself today and 2 kilos are gone, but I know this is not fat. This was probably, you know, bloating and a lot of retention, a lot of water as well. But I start to see like my body shaping the way I want, and this is what really motivates me the most. You know, I really want to share this journey because I already did that once, and I know it's possible, it's feasible, it's doable, and I know that potentially you are gonna be discouraged by many other things on a day-to-day basis. But keep watching those videos, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna take value from that and apply everything that you've learned, that you're learning here, in your day-to-day life as well. It will make such a huge difference. You're not gonna regret it. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.